Hello guys, this is Sky Network. I teach people how to make money online about forests. If you are just coming in for the first time, kindly hit on the subscribe button below and subscribe to this channel, and also kindly put on your bell notification, so that you can get everything I post on this channel about how to make money online. And besides, give this video a thumbs up, and I want to let you know that anything I do on this channel is for educational purpose only. All right, it's for educational purpose only, and I'm not your financial advisor. All right, what you do is this. Okay, I'm going to be taking you guys on how to set up your demo and real account. Okay, so make sure you don't skip this video. Make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip it, so that you can understand fully what I'm about to show you. All right, so you have to get your Gmail address ready. So now we have to go to deriv.com. okay, so first of all, we go to deriv.com, then you click on I already have an account, but I'm only going to use this for this purpose of this video. All right, so follow me. Now, to create your demo and real account, what you need to do, you need to go to deriv.com, and then go to deriv.com. Then what you do is you go to deriv.com, and also just click on create demo account. All right, so once you click on this, you input your email here. Let me input my email now. For example, skynetwork1@gmail.com. then create demo account. All right, create demo account. So once you click this, it will ask you to check your email. All right, so let me go to my email now. So I'll go to my email now. So it's here, so it's showing me this. So this is my email. Then click to verify my email. So I do this. So once I do this, it's going to definitely take me to what I would do. Now it's asking me to choose my country. So you have to choose your country is Nigeria. So make sure that the information you are using here is the same information you have on your government ID card, either your driver license or your national ID or your passport. Make sure those are the information you have there. So you select Nigeria, you continue. So you create a password. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I can see okay, so all right, so you click start trading. So once you do that, it means that it's showing you, would you like to see FDs, multipliers? These are the kind of trading that are available. Okay, now they sent me another email. Not sure. Okay, you click not sure. let's go to my email. Okay, now this is you'll be here. So once you're here, you tap on this 3 button here. So these 3 buttons are the top right, top left corner. You tap on it. I think okay. Now you tap on this. Not yet. So you see where they are writing 10,000 US dollars. You tap on this place at the top there. So you see where it's writing demo. This is real on this side and this is demo on this side. So now what you are going to do is that because we are trading on synthetic indices, we are going to add synthetic. All right, so what we do now is we are going to add synthetic. So we add. So once we add, it's still going to tell us, pay attention attentively, it's still going to tell us to create a DMT5 password. So we can also use the same password. We can also use the same password we use for the Deriv.com. Okay. Okay. Then we create password. So we have successfully created a DMT5 password. All right. We've successfully created a DMT5 password. Now, this is our demo synthetic account. What you need on this very particular account is this login ID. So we are going to take a screenshot of this page because we are done with this. So that's the demo. All right, that's the demo that they will give you 10,000 US dollars, which you are going to use to trade. So that's the demo account. Now we have to click on real accounts in order for us to add synthetic also and create a password for DMT5 real account also. So now we tap on real here. So once we tap on real, it's going to tell us to create a Deriv account. All right, so we tap on create. No, let's go back. I'll take you guys back. Now I'm going to go to Deriv.com. okay, so once we go there, we are going to log in to our account. This time we'll click on login. So when we click on login, we'll Sky Network 1@gmail.com. okay, then we'll enter our password. So we sign in to Deriv.com. So this is the web version. All right, so just follow me. So when we get here, this was the account where we had the demo. If you tap on this place, you see demo where we had 10,000. So we've already added synthetic. So now we are to go tap on real up there. That is real account, that is the live account. So we are now going to add the synthetic. Okay, we are now going to add. So before it will allow us to add, it must tell us to choose the currency. So now we are going to choose US dollar, because that's what we are going to be using. Then we can choose, like for me, I like depositing with Litecoin, but you can choose any of this, the one that is convenient for you. But Litecoin is the one I recommend because it has the lowest transaction fee. So we click on Litecoin and we click on next. So this is where you are going to fill up these details like this before you go to live account. All right, so this is where you are going to fill up these details like this. Mind you, one person is not allowed to create multiple accounts. You get it? It's not allowed. So don't use the same name twice, otherwise they will ban you. So let me use a kind of name that I have not used before. Maybe let me just use any name that I have not used before and used any kind of May. Let me use May 31st. Then I put another, okay, May 31st. Okay, 1980 something. Okay, I can read 1995 or something because it's just for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to take it backwards. So this is how you select your date. So this thing is something you have to settle down to do. It's not something you can just do immediately. All right, so that's why I told you to watch the video from beginning to the end. It's not something you can skip. If you skip it, you won't understand it. So let's say 1998, for instance. 1998. May 30th. Let's just say May 30th. Okay, let's just say 1999, May 31st, 1999, May 31st, 1999. Let me just put, you have to input your phone number here. So let me just put my other phone number here, 839388481. Okay, then I'll click on next. So these are things you have to do. You have to put your street address. So I can put 42. I can put 44 Fabry Street. No second address. City, Lagos. State is going to be Lagos as well. State is going to be Lagos. Zip code, I can put 000725. So all these things are what you will fill before you can create this account. So you click on next, and then you click on I am not a PIP. I have not been a PIP at the last 12 months. Okay, agree to. Okay, add account. So you add account. The account is added. Click maybe later. So this is what you are going to do. Okay. All right. There are two things you must take note of. All right. So this is your real account. All right. So you go to demo. You've added synthetic on your demo account. Now you go to your real account. Click on manage account. Okay, real account, click on add synthetic. Now it didn't allow you to add it the other time because you needed to set up those stuff first. So now you come here and you use the same password you use for the other account. So right now you've successfully created your real account. All right, this is your real account. Okay, so right now you are going to snap here. This is your real account. So you snap this. You see it's different because they won't, you snap this, your real account is different from your demo. So you can see your demo on the right hand side, on your real on the left hand side. So what you should take note of is your login ID, because that is what you are going to, your login ID and your password, because that's what you are going to use to log into the MT5 app. All right, the platform, the trading platform. So now this is what you are going to do. So right now, if you want to check your settings, you click on account settings. Somehow they are going to require you to, okay, this is what I've filled in already. Somehow they are going to require you to maybe fill, when you click on account settings, financial assessment, you are going to fill all this stuff on your financial assessment. Source of income, you can say self-employed, employment status, self-employed, industry, you can choose any industry, maybe agriculture, food services or something. Occupation, you can choose managers or professionals or anything that suits what you have chosen. You can choose managers or something. Then source of wealth, it should be here. You can choose company ownership, I think company ownership, a level of education, you can choose tertiary, net income, they ask you to select, you can select between 50,000 to 100,000, estimated net worth 250,000 to 500,000, you can choose here. Then anticipated account turnover, you can choose over 500,000. Then you click on submit. So that is financial assessment. So you can choose that and click on submit. All right, so once you've done that, I think it's submitted already. So you can refresh the page. I think there are some that are missing. So you must fill all fields. So you can say inheritance or something, then you click on submit. I think that will be, so you have to fill that financial assessment. So you can click okay. I think you can click on, when you click on cashier, that's where you see deposit, like as if you want to deposit now. This is where you will come to. So you select your method of deposit, which I think is Litecoin. Your method of deposit should be Litecoin. So it should be Litecoin, which is this one. So once you select it, they are going to give you this. You copy this address and go and send Litecoin to this place, so it will come to your Deriv account. So that's how to deposit. Then when you go to cashier again, when you want to withdraw, this is where you must deposit before you can be able to withdraw. So that is for that. Then if you want to transfer, this is where you must first of all deposit before you can be able to transfer. Okay, I see. So right now you go to deriv.com again, then click on get trading, since we are already logged in. Then we'll manage account. We'll click on manage account, and we should be able to add USD, which is this. The reason why we are adding USD is because, you know, this stuff, the stuff, it fluctuates, which is the what is it called, the something, the Litecoin, it fluctuates. So if we have money, we can put it on the USD if we don't want to use it yet. So that's the advantage of putting USD there. So the things you have to take note of, you see this US dollar, under it you are seeing where they write, where they wrote CR3827125. that's your account number. So you should take note of that. So gradually you get to learn these things, because most of these things are very complicated. So you click on demo. So once you click on demo, here is your demo account. So that's your demo account. All right, so let's check with the screenshot that we took. All right, the screenshot of the demo account. So here is the demo account. Here is the screenshot of the demo account we took. So the things you should take note of are this login ID and your password, and this is also the screenshot of the real account. All right, so yeah, this is your real account. This is your demo account, I mean. This is your demo account. So this is your demo. Yeah, so now this is your real. If you click on real account, you are going to see your real account, and your real account is what is showing synthetic Africa something 2 is there. That's your real account. So after the verification, that's when, after, you must first of all deposit before you can be able to do some certain things. But trading demo, you don't need to deposit. So what we will do is this. All right, so you leave Deriv. Let's go to the picture. So these 2 images, you must save them because you will need them at all times. So you save them in your email draft. So this is your synthetic. So we are going to use this login ID to log into our Deriv DMT5, which is the trading platform. All right, so what we are going to do now is memorize this number here: 20662133. 20662133. So we'll go to our DMT5. All right, this is DMT5. So I'll delete my own account that is there before. So I'll delete it so that I can be able to add this new account. So now I'll go to new account. So Deriv Limited. This is, supposing maybe you want to add live account, which is the real account. What you do is you click on, you see where they are they wrote Deriv server 02. You tap on this. But now we want to make use of demo. So since we are making use of demo, what you do is you tap on Deriv demo. So that 2066, let me try to remember. That 20662133. All right, so we'll come back here. 20662133. Then we'll enter our password. So we'll log in. So now we are logged in. You see, so that $10,000 they gave us for the demo account is here. All right, is here. So what we'll do is this. Since we are here, I will need to delete all this. There are what we call indicators. All these things you are seeing, they are called indicators. All right, they are called indicators. So they are called indicators. So I need to delete my own indicators before I will add them back to teach you guys on how to set up these indicators. This, what you are seeing here, M1, M5, is the time frame: 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. This is the time frame. So I'm going to put it on 1 minute time frame. Then this F, if you want to set the stuff, I'm going to click on this F. So let me delete these indicators: moving average, relative set, MACD, and moving average. So I'm going to delete this stuff. All right, so once I delete them, I'm going to delete them and add them again for the purpose of this video. So once you log in newly, this is how your interface is going to be. It's just a plain interface without indicators. So you would need indicators. The reason why you need these indicators is because for you to trade successfully, you need indicators. Those are the things that will be telling you what to do on the trade and what not to do, so that you won't lose. So our first indicator, we are going to click on this F. We'll click on this main window, and our first indicator is going to be moving average. All right, moving average. So we try to, this is moving average, and I think here is 10. Here is 10, and here is method is exponential, and the color is red. All right, the color is red. So we click on save. We click on save. Once we click on save, then the style is 4 pixels. Then we click on save. So it's going to be like this. All right, it's going to be like this. Then we tap on the F again. Then this time we won't click on the main window. Okay, we'll click on the plus sign. We'll click on this plus sign. Then we'll search for the indicator called relative strength index. So relative strength index, if you are using if your background, okay, the period is 14. All right, the period is period 14. The apply to is closed. The levels is 1090. All right, the levels is 1090. Okay, so the style, if you are using a white background, your pixel should be 4 pixels, and the background should be white. But if you are using a black background, then here the color should be black. So I select the color. I've selected it already, but I just deleted it, and I'm doing it for the purpose of this video. So you click on save. So once you click on save, it's done already. Then we'll click on the F sign again. Then this time around, we'll click on the indicator window 1 instead of the main window. So we click on this, and we are now going to select the indicator called MACD. So we select this. It's already there. The fast EMA is 13. The slow EMA is 26. The MACD SMA is 9, and the apply to is close. Levels is 0. Nothing is there. Then the color is green, and the pixels is 2, like you have seen, and the signal is purple. The pixel is 4. So you click on done or save, just like what you see now. Then you tap on the F sign again. Then this time also you are going to click on the indicator window 1. All right, then we are going to still add another moving average, but this time the settings are going to be different. So we add second moving average. Yes, moving average. Instead of the 10 here, we are going to leave it at 1. Then the exponential, the method, we change it to simple. Then the style, the color the apply to is closed, then the color is going to be blue. It's going to be blue, so we leave it at blue. Then we click on save. You see, so this is how it's going to be. Then you should take note that down here on my screen you have settings, you have history. History is where you are going to see your history. Then the trade is where you view the trade, and the chart is where you will see all the charts on the trading platform. Then this quote is where you are going to see all the trades. Like you have volatility 10 index, you have volatility 100 index. So we are not trading all this. So since we are not trading all this, we are going to delete them. We can still add them if we want to. So what we are going to be trading, in order not to get confused, we are going to delete the ones we are not trading on. So we are going to delete all. So what we are going to be trading on is boom 1000 crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500. Then we are going to add boom 300 and crash 300 like this. So it's already added now. So these are the markets that are available. All right, so now this is the demo account. So now there is something called lot size. Okay, I know you will not understand, and setting up this video, I know you might have a lot of questions that you would want to ask. So what I want you guys to do is for you to go and practice how to set up this thing. If you are able to set it up, fine. If you have many questions, so you prepare the questions, then I think by Monday, which is tomorrow night, we are going to treat all the questions. But for today, what you have to do is to set up this account. But if you are finding difficulty, then we will have to continue it tomorrow, because this is very complicated, I know. So now there's something we call lot size. So supposing we want to trade on this crash 500, we will tap on crash 500, then we will click on chart. So once we click on chart, it will bring us here. This is 1 minute time frame. Now when you tap on the 1 minute time frame up there, you see 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and so on and so forth to 1 month. So now we are going to be trading on the 1 minute time frame. All right, we are going to be trading on a 1 minute 1 minute time frame. All right, so right now if we want to enter the market, we'll click on this trade. There's something called lot size. So the lot size, this is on lot size 2.88. That's what we are seeing up there, like this 2.88, where you have the 2.88. So this crash 500 is just to buy alone. We also have boom 500, which is to sell. So what we are going to be doing is to only buy when necessary. When the market is good for us to buy, then we can enter buy. So if we want to trade now, what we do, we will if we want to trade, sorry about that. Sorry. If we want to trade, what we need to do now is for us to click on this trade. Click on this trade. So once we click on this trade, there is a plus sign up there. So we'll click on the plus sign. Now lot size when we talk about lot size, the lot size will determine the amount of profit you will have at the end of your trade of that particular market, or the amount of loss you will incur if peradventure you lose. But now, let's say as a beginner, you won't be using this lot 2.88 because, but you can still try it. But as a beginner, it's not advisable, because whatever you are doing here is for testing purpose until you master yourself with the demo before you can be able to go to live account. You see, so right now, let's just say you will be using, the bigger the lot size, the bigger your profit, or the bigger your loss. So the smaller the lot size, the smaller your profit, or the smaller your loss. Then you must also know that if you are setting your lot size of your trading, you must also know that if your equity means your account balance, all right, what you have in your capital is your equity. So if you happen to be cleared, that is, if you happen to run at a loss, and your lot size is bigger than what you have in your account balance, you might just, it can clear all your money. So that is why it is advisable that you use lot size 0.2, which is the lowest lot size. Okay, before we can start using this lot size, we have to just click on buy so that it can set itself there first. You see, so then so that is another thing. So it has entered blue, which means it has entered profit now. So it will start reading. So if we want to close this market, we'll tap on this number here like this, then we'll select this yellow one, then we'll close like this. So I think now, how do you read these indicators? I think that will be a lecture for another day. So what you guys need to do is to set up this account and get to this position first. Then remember what I told you, that there is a demo account, there is a real account, which we have set up the two. So those two screenshots, which is this two screenshots, these two, this is the demo account and this is the real account. You must save them in your email draft, because this ID number, there are two different ID numbers and the password which you will use to log in on your DMT5. So this is like an assignment, so you guys should go and set up your account like this. If you follow me, if you followed from the beginning, you will be able to understand. So after that, I'm going to do another video in the next video on how to use these indicators and how to use your lot size. So that will be all today. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye for now.